Hi friends, it's unboxing day today. I get really excited about when curriculum shows up. It's kind of like Christmas. I thought maybe I would share with you what I got today. If we haven't met before, my name is Geraldine. I'm a homeschooling mom of 3 kids, ages 11, 4, and 2. And I've been homeschooling for 7 years. This coming year, in the 2026-2027 year, will be our 8th year homeschooling. And I will have a 7th grade daughter, a kindergarten son, and then a newly turned 3-year-old preschooler as well. So today I want to show you what I got in my Christian Light order. Now, I've been using Christian Light materials since my oldest daughter, was in 4th grade. What I went ahead and ordered was the Kindergarten 1 and Kindergarten 2 curriculum. I wasn't really sure exactly where I wanted to place my son for next year, so I thought I'd order both because I knew that if I didn't use Kindergarten 1 for him, I would probably wind up using it the following year for my younger daughter. So here we have the Kindergarten 2 Teacher's Guide. So this is one teacher's guide, sorry for the glare, for all of the activity books and workbooks. This is Kindergarten 1. I'll show you that in a second. This is the Kindergarten 1 Teacher's Manual. And then these are the workbooks and activity books for Kindergarten 2. There they are. So let me arrange this for a second and then I'll show you what I got. I did want to mention that if you're interested in seeing the curriculum that I'm thinking about for next year, for the 2026-2027 school year, I have a video that I just recently did talking all about what I'm thinking for 7th grade, kindergarten, and preschool. So check out that video next if you're interested. Okay, so like I said, I ordered both the Kindergarten 1 and Kindergarten 2 curriculums. And you'll notice here that the Kindergarten 1 curriculum is much slimmer than the Kindergarten 2 curriculum. And this is the teacher's guide that you will need for each of these levels. Now, Christian Light Education provides all subjects for all grades, basically. And these kindergarten levels have number and math skills integrated with letters and phonics and things like that. Now, their actual phonics program doesn't start until 1st grade, which is the Learning to Read program. I have not used that before, but I have heard that it's a really excellent curriculum. Kindergarten, however, is geared more towards what kindergarten used to be back in the old days, where you're teaching kindergartners how to recognize shapes and colors and different sizes of things, and very basic, more like what today you might consider preschool. Kindergarten 1 is geared towards 4 and 5-year-olds, where Kindergarten 2 is 5 and up. So with that said, I ordered both because, like I said, I wasn't sure if I wanted to place my son in Kindergarten 1 or 2 because we'd already done quite a bit of work with colors and shapes and things like that. So Kindergarten 1 has a teacher's guide, like I said, and the workbooks. There are 5 workbooks. This has everything that you'll need. You might need to cut out some things, and the teacher's notes are at the bottom of each page. So you could technically maybe get away with just ordering the workbooks, which are very inexpensive. This whole curriculum, both levels, was $119 total that I spent, and well worth it. I really wanted to get the teacher's manuals because at the back there are poems to remember different things. There are stories in here, and I will do a flip through, like I said, to kind of show you about these. But from what I had heard, you don't really want to miss the teacher's guide with Kindergarten 1 and 2. So, like I said, Kindergarten 1 has the 5 units. Kindergarten 2 is set up a little bit differently. They have 5 workbooks, so they're called workbooks 1 through 5. And then there's also 5 activity books. So activity books 1 through 5. And you don't do like all the workbooks first and then all the activity books. You actually use them together. And it talks about that in the teacher's manual. So the way that it kind of works is that you do a lesson from the workbook, and then you do a lesson from the activity book, and then it kind of goes back and forth between these two. So each time you finish a workbook and activity book, then you're ready to move on to the next one. So if you're interested in a flip through of this and kind of how the programs work, I'm happy to do that. I will probably do each one separately because otherwise the videos will get very long. But let me know down in the comments if you're interested in that. I'm really excited to even have a kindergartner, and this is not something that I used with my older daughter in kindergarten because when she was in preschool, she was in a very academic preschool and had learned all of this, but I hadn't even heard about Christian Light education back when I was researching kindergarten for her. So now I'm really excited to go through this. We have loved Christian Light for so many other curriculum. We've used their reading program and we've used their math program. Anyway, so let me know if you've used this before. I would love to hear your thoughts and how you scheduled it. I know that people schedule these differently because you might do a full lesson in one day, or you might just do part of a lesson in one day. So I would be interested to hear your thoughts about that if you've used it. I think that's about it for today's video. Thank you so much for hanging out with me at our homeschool table and for unboxing curriculum with me. I will have some other curriculum hauls and unboxings probably coming in the near future. So click that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up so that I know that you enjoyed it. And also don't forget to leave me an emoji down in the comments, something to do with kindergarten. So a pencil or a math emoji or some letters or something like that to let me know that you're still here at the end. Thank you so much for hanging out with me today, and we'll see you next time.